Are you still debating between short form and long form content? In 2024, the answer just might surprise you. What's up, creators? Welcome back to Empowered Studios, where we empower small business owners and content creators to create awesome brands. It's your boy TJ, and today we are going to be talking about why long form content will dominate 2024 and what it means for you if you are just starting your content creation journey. Now, I've been in these social media streets creating content of various types for years. I've learned a lot of strategies and lessons along the way. If you're just getting started with content creation, then you may be wondering how to get started and what type of content to make. For the past few years, short form content has flooded social media platforms. Every time you open up Instagram or TikTok, you're bombarded by countless short videos competing for your attention. Creators have seen massive gains on their followers and engagement due to posting short form content. On the flip side, even though short form content has been the norm, it has not been the most rewarding for certain creators, specifically when it comes to monetization. Let's dive into some stats real quick. A major issue with short form content is that short form content generates less revenue compared to long form content. Long form content is much more effective than short form content, attracting 62 times more ideal customers and generating almost 200% more revenue. For example, Neil Patel reached over 100,000 monthly visitors in his first year by writing articles longer than 4,000 words. Similarly, MrBeast, one of the top YouTubers in the world, highlighted that long-form videos on YouTube are more profitable compared to short TikTok videos. He noted that while a billion TikTok views might just earn $1,000, a million views on YouTube could bring in about $100,000. Now, of course, these numbers vary based on a variety of factors, including click-through rate, how well the videos are optimized, viewer retention, and etc. Now, what this data means for you if you're just starting out is that long-form content is really effective in attracting the right kind of audience, the ones who are genuinely interested in content. It's not just about getting more viewers, but getting viewers who will stick around, engage, and potentially buy what you're offering. As a beginner, you might think shorter videos are easier and quicker to make, and therefore better. But these trends show that investing time in creating longer, more detailed content can actually be more rewarding in the long run. It's about building a deeper connection with your audience and setting yourself up for better earnings. When you're starting out, however, you gotta build an audience before you get the bag. Think of long-form content like a deep, engaging conversation. It's not just scratching the surface, it's diving into the cool details, the stuff that really gets people thinking and talking. This kind of content grabs your audience's attention and keeps them around, eager to hear more. It's like when you're telling a story and everyone's hanging on to your every word. That's the power of going in depth with your content. Now, here's where it gets even better. When you're consistently dishing out these detailed, info-packed content, you start to become the expert in the room. It's all about positioning yourself and serving your audience in the best way possible. People begin to trust what you're saying. They value your opinion. And before you know it, you're not just another content creator. You're the authority in your field. For someone just starting out, this is huge. It's like going from being a random face in the crowd to the one leading the conversation. And let's not forget about keeping your audience around. With long-form content, your viewers or readers aren't just swiping down to the next piece of content or giving your article a quick glance and bouncing. They're sticking around, really getting into what you have to say. For you as a beginner, this means once you've got their attention, you're more likely to keep it. That's a big win when you're building up your audience.